Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about if you are facing this problem could not create Apple ID. This phone has been used to create too many new Apple IDs. So guys, if you are facing this problem, so keep watching this video until then, because I am creating new Apple ID in this iPhone appears on screen. Guys, simply tap on App Store and simply tap on profile icon here and simply tap on create new Apple ID. Tap on it and wait for some seconds. Here enter the email of your new Apple ID. After entering the email, enter the password. Now verify password. After that, enable term and conditions of Apple ID. After that, simply tap on next button top right corner. Here guys, enter the first name, last name and date of birth. After entering these information, simply tap on next button. Now wait for some seconds. Here guys, this is the main part of this video. Tap on none, and guys, these information just for formality. Enter this information, enter street ABC, and these are optional and must be enter the city name. I am from Rahimir Khan. I am entering Rahimir Khan. And after that, enter the postal code of my city. If you don't know, you can search on Google city name, postal code. Tap on next button top right corner. Now wait for some seconds. Enter the phone number for verification. After that, tap on next here. Now wait for some seconds for verification code on your phone number. I am entering the code. Tap on next, and he sent to verification code on your email. After entering the verification code and sign in iCloud successfully, wait for some seconds. Here you can see my Apple ID successfully created on my this iPhone. You can create your Apple ID by this method. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.